Okay, so what is the shape of benzene and what hybridization do you expect for each carbon? Well, if we look at the question of hybridization first, each one of these carbon atoms has, whoops, three things attached. It has a carbon, another carbon, and a hydrogen. So if we look at all of the carbon atoms in benzene, and this is the skeletal structure of benzene, much easier to write. But all of the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized because they each have three things attached. So sp2 hybridized, one, two, three things attached, and the same goes with all of the carbons. So if every carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, that means every carbon is trigonal planar. And so if every carbon is trigonal planar, that means that all of these atoms, all three atoms are in a plane that are attached to this carbon. And if all three atoms that are attached to this carbon are in a plane, and all three atoms that are attached to this carbon are in a plane, and so on, going around the ring, if all three atoms of this carbon are in a plane, etc., going all the way around, then the entire molecule has to be planar. So if you can look edge on, and benzene looks like this, where, and maybe I can put a little perspective in, so you can see these atoms coming out at you, and then these going back into the plane. So this is a planar molecule, and if you look at a crystal structure of benzene, for example, you can see that all the carbon atoms are in a plane, and the electrons from all the orbitals overlapping, all the p orbitals overlapping, are above and below the plane.